Upset a lot of surprises. Stocks are relatively predictable over 20 years. As to whether they're going to be higher or lower in 2 to 3 years, you might as well flip a coin to decide. The extravagance of any corporate office is directly proportional to management's reluctance to reward the shareholders. In stocks as in romance, ease of divorce is not a sound basis for commitment. The typical big winner in the Lynch portfolio generally takes 3 to 10 years to play out. Never invest in a company without understanding its finances. The biggest losses in stocks come from companies with poor balance sheets. The biggest winners are surprises to me, and takeovers are even more surprising. It takes years, not months, to produce big results. All the time and effort people devote to picking the right fund, the hot hand, the great manager have in most cases led to no advantage. I'm always fully invested. It's a great feeling to be caught with your pants up. You only need a few good stocks in your lifetime. I mean, how many times do you need a stock to go up tenfold to make a lot of money? Not a lot. Nobody can predict interest rates, the future direction of the economy, or the stock market. Dismiss all such forecasts and concentrate on what's actually happening to the companies in which you've invested. Far more money has been lost by investors preparing for corrections, or trying to anticipate corrections, than has been lost in corrections themselves. Long shots almost always miss the mark. You have to keep your priorities straight if you plan to do well in stocks.